Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Jagtap. In front of all of you, I am present in the Business Line Newspaper headline. So, first of all, competition law, NCLAT ruling on effects analysis leaves CCI in a fix. Next, DII most bullish on market since FM corporate tax cuts in 2019. Next, Tata Tea hyper local strategy paying off. Next, IPO activity likely to be subdued in first half of FY24. Next, global mutual fund should you invest before 31st March for tax soups. Next, most equity new fund offers of mutual funds post negative returns in last 1 years. Next, the march of generative AI system and the call for speed bumps. Next, India aims to explore cooking coal markets in Mongolia, ramp up output in Mozambique. On page number 3, in that Gujarat pivot leaves ACC Ambuja Cement staff shaken. Next, top 5 larger conglomerates should be dismantled. Next, investors rush to debt mutual fund before tax advantage ends. Next, push for bilateral migration mobility commitment. Next, IPL franchise is set to score big with 80% revenue growth. On page number 4 in news section, that PhonePay's deal with Zest Money called off. Next, mutual funds with smallest share in household assets record 80% growth in 2 years. Next, Niranjan Gupta appointed CEO of Hero Motorcorp. Next, DCB Bank rises rupees 300 crore through Tier 2 bonds. Next, Axis Bank Shri Ram Housing Inc. co-lending agreements. Next, in third round of layoffs, an academy cuts 12% staff. Next, Wellspun completes acquisition of Syntax BAPL for rupees 1,251 crore. Next, financial services business demerger, shareholders of Reliance to vote on May 2. Next, don't want to list subsidiaries. Kotak Bank stock to reflect group's value. Next, Jantari looks to expand business in India. On page number 5 in that news section, new foreign trade policy to be announced today. Next, on page number 6 in think section, that lending justice. Next, energy imports must be slashed. Next, RBI timely move to ring fence bank. On page number 7 in think section, that decarbonization of road transport gathering pace. Next, guns and violence. Next, jobs, health and graying population. Next, 20 year ago today in that Apollo Tires would not use Modi rubber facility Kanwar. Next, forex inflow dip to hit government borrowings. Next, dot may propose higher WLL license fee. On page number 8 in commodity section, that row over UK's new COP for basmati rice. Next, falling on hard times. Next, robust overseas demand fuels Kabuli chana exports from India. Next, retain a long position in zinc. Next, fertilizer sales up 2% in April Feb of FY23. Next, PepsiCo Cropin launch crop intelligence model for potato. Next, China's 2023 iron ore output to hit 8-year high. Next, changes in transaction fee for repair futures contract. Next, EU expects oil seeds output to high record high in 2023-24. Next, to tackle stubble burning, Haryana to expand project to 8 more districts. Next, natural rubber farming needs to spread far and wide beyond Kerala. Rubber board chief. On page number 9, in news section under that, domestic steel use buoyant despite global uncertainties. Next, surplus drug maker will not be spared. Next, FSI revives order on curd labeling, allows use of regional names. Next, Health Ministry action sends strong signal on good manufacturing practices. Next, ISER's hydrogen project to get funds more UK carbon capture program. Next, ICA to open 3 more chapters in the US. Next, HPCL signed pact with BPCL for hydrogen synergy. Next, Rohini Nelikani philanthropist grant to Nimhans NCBs. Next, AHA expands boycott with documentary content. Next, MOD signs rupees 32,000 crore deal for procurement of vessel, missiles, radar, and gun system. Next, defense exports at rupees 14,000 crore. Target is rupees 40,000 crore by 2026. On page number 10 in news section that India's mobility migration push in talk with the UK now packs more power. Next, spouses of H1B visa holder can work in US rules court. Next, customs duty on drugs import for treating rare disease revived. Next, Banga poised to become WB chief unopposed. Next, Australia passes landmark laws or carbon immersion. Next, Russia arrests WSJ reporter for espionage. Next, Vistara operates wide body aircraft using sustainable aviation fuel on long haul route. Next, Virgin Atlantic expands code share with Indigo to add 18 destinations. Next, MPP inks pact with Aurobindo, Cipla and Viatris for HIV drug. Next, Microsoft Cloud practices are anti-competitive, says Google. Next, Bollywood to see big stars back on the silver screen. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.